Hello, today I'm going to show you how to restart your Apple Watch, featuring Apple Watch SE 2nd Gen. So, if you want to restart your Apple Watch, probably you cannot do anything on your watch, it's freezed or something, you just need to hold these two buttons right here, the power button and the scroller. You need to hold it until you're going to see an Apple logo. So I'm still holding it. And now I can let it off. And as you can see, the Apple Watch is going to now turn on. And voila, you have just restarted your Apple Watch. And now everything is working. Thanks for watching, I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye!